The armor in your riding jacket or pants plays a critical role in impact protection. In order for the armor to provide optimum protection over its lifetime, it is important that you care for and store each piece of armor properly. Whether you're removing and reinstalling armor or otherwise handling any piece of armor, be sure to exercise care. While most riding armors have a certain level of flexibility, bending the armor too much or in the reverse direction can damage or break it completely. Similarly, exerting pressure on the armor while removing or reinstalling it can damage or potentially tear it. If there is any obstruction limiting the movement of the armor, make sure to move it out of the way before exerting any load on the armor itself. When reinserting armor, make sure that it is placed in the correct manner, top to bottom as well as front to back, especially in terms of the direction of the bend. Inserting the armor incorrectly can not only limit the protective performance but also cause it to break or tear over the course of use. Make sure that no heavy weights are placed on the armor at any time, whether it is inside a riding garment or on its own. For example, if you have removed armors, carry them separately while traveling. Make sure they are placed in a manner that they are well supported, kept away from sharp objects, and without any heavy weight on them. If, for any reason, you need to clean your armor, you can do so using a damp cloth. Do not use any soaps, detergents, or other chemical substances unless specifically approved by the armor manufacturer, as these could cause deterioration of the armor material. For riding gear that you use frequently, armor can be left within the pant or jacket while ensuring the garment itself is kept in a shaded and well-ventilated place. For long-term storage, it is always advisable to remove armors from your riding gear and store them separately. You can store armor in a separate plastic packet provided that it is not completely air-sealed. Place them in a shaded and well-ventilated space away from sharp or heavy objects.